I'd like to take a quick look at how pixels behave inside a digital image. First off, you'll notice that this image has a 25% magnification. If we choose the View menu, we could choose to see the actual pixels, and this will set the magnification to 100%. If you look closely, you'll notice that what once appeared as just a solid black area actually has subtle gradients in it. Including the white areas here, you'll see little shades of gray, and darker shades of gray mixed in with the black. This is because in both photographs and reality, colors are rarely purely solid. Let's continue to zoom in a little bit here. A shortcut for that is Command or Control+, which makes it easier to jump in even increments. You'll notice there at 500% the pixels are much larger. I'll hold down the spacebar and move around, and you could start to see the stair-stepping effect that leads to curved lines. Because we're trying to build curves and irregular shapes, Photoshop has to use a blending technique, sometimes called aliasing, to produce curves and subtle gradation. Once you begin to zoom beyond 500%, you'll start to see the pixel grid, which outlines each individual pixel in a thin white line. This makes it easier for you to tell where the individual color stops and ends. And notice we can go all the way up to a maximum view of 3200%. This makes it very easy to see the individual pixels, but you likely lose perspective on the total image. One useful tool is the Navigator panel, which we'll continue to explore later. But notice that the small red dot indicates our selected area. As I drag, I can continue to move out, or reposition and move myself around the image. Pixels are literally the digital building blocks of our photos, and it's important that you get familiar with them.